In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download free non-copyrighted songs with Google directly to your phone. To do that, firstly open up the Google app, and for this tutorial we'll be using Pexable.com. Pexable songs are copyright free. That means you can download it and use it for commercial purpose or for any other purpose without having a copyright strike. Now go to the search bar and type Pexable.com, P-R-I-A-B-A-Y, and click search. Now visit the first website. Now once you are on the website, scroll a little bit and tap on music. Now there are over 200 something thousand free music track that you can download any of them that you prefer, and you can use it for commercial purpose. If you are not pleased with any of the available some here, the search bar is available. You can search for your preference, but for now I'm going to use some this as example for this tutorial. Now you're going to preview the song. Once you preview the song, tap on the three dot menu on that particular song, and then you tap download. The song is downloaded. Alright, now I'm going to go to my file. Let me go to my file and go to audio. The song I downloaded, the title is Footboy. Foot. Alright, this is the song I just downloaded. Alright, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tips.